So let us compare to another question. Okay, number 2. Alright. So between algebra and log. Between algebra and log. The log comes first, so that will be the appropriate u. So we choose the u to be the log, okay, the ln in this case, and the algebra to be the dv. Right. So as usual, we are to differentiate. Derivative of the ln x is 1 on x, and of this part, we integrate both sides. We get x power 4 on 4. Don't put the c just yet. Then plug into this IBP, the integration by parts. That's the formula. So check my work. The u is ln x, and the v there is x power 4 on 4. Let's put it in front. Okay, integrate v, and again here we have 1 on 4. Let's put the constant in front, and the du, okay, v du, this is u. So the du is 1 on x dx, or dx on x. Right, before we are able to integrate, let's simplify this thing first. Let me rewrite it back. So as we are to integrate, do you see that I'm not replacing the boundary just yet? Okay, because I think it's easier if you have it like this. Okay, and then for the boundary, we can just mention, okay, the boundary, all of it for the lower one and the upper is the. You are to replace later on after you have solved your integral. Let me simplify this thing first. So that is the answer for our integral. Now then we are to replace the upper boundary minus the lower boundary. Okay, so let's replace first everything there in terms of the x as e minus, and then replace the x as 1. Okay, so as e, so we have e power 4 on 4. It's easier this way, right? And e is 1. And then after that, we'll replace the x with the lower boundary, which is 1. And here we have ln 1, which is 0. Right. Let's replace further, simplify further. Ln e just now, ln e is 1, and ln 1 is 0. So let's simplify this. Okay, so here we have ln e 1 minus 1 on 4 is 3 on 4, and here this is 0, so 1 on 4 times 1 on 4, which is 1 on 16, minus is plus. So we simplify to write our c here. Okay, so that will be our final answer for it. Okay, simple enough, isn't it? Alright, let's give a mark. Again, starting with choices of your u and dv. Integrate, differentiate correctly into the formula. Here we need to use integrating here, so maybe inside this function there's a a1 there, okay, the correct integral, and then we are to replace the upper boundary minus the lower boundary for us to finalize our answer. So this question carries 6 marks. Right? Okay, let's do number 3 now.